trending gist, what be some of the biggest, most talked about stories for social media. Samoa the trend, Muslim the trend, Tinubu must go the trend, and of course Richie soon accept the trend. Because that one are the former British Prime Minister currently, because he don't resign as his party don't lose the election. So we'll talk. I'll give us more information about that one. But the major story with the trend today: LGBTQ, Samoa, Muslim, all of them join together for the same topic. Tinubu must go. Also the trend. Some people they plan protests where they want to. I think from 1st of August to 10th of August, and at 10 days the protest won't last. Alright, according to waiting day here, end bad governance in Nigeria 2024, nationwide protests, every tribe, religion, and region now. End bad governance 2024. Some people they plan them. So they say the date now 1st to 10th August, 10 days of rage. We are not slaves. Nationwide protest, something like that. They say that Sorosoke too. No tribe, no region, no religion. End anti-people policies over taxation. They see their demand to end anti-people policy over taxation and electoral fraud. Okay. All these people then where they plan this protest, I hope so that I don't go meet police. And I don't get normally, I mean, protest that right, fundamental right of every citizen for democratic setting. You understand? Everybody get rights, freedom of association, freedom for protest and everything. It dey inside constitution, but we know Nigerian government and police, they will tell now like 2 or 3 days before that protest say they don't get information, say some people want hijacker. So go tell police now. It's better to just go tell police when I want to do protest, make police give una security to guide, because a day before or 2 days police go just say we don't get intelligence report from DSS, from police, from this and that, say some hoodlums who hijack camps, or we want turn the country into ungovernable place and all that. So therefore make protest no work. That now will come cause the problem. Alright, so if you not say you won't join anybody do any protest from August, I'm not seeing anybody no protest. Just be careful. Oh. Secondly, the organizers of this protest, when I go meet police, begin to do arrangement now. Because I just tell them, I don't be prophet, but they go tell when I say security information don't reach them. Say some people they plan to, whether people plan or not, now another thing. But now what they go normally tell you, some people they plan to scatter the protest, so make una not do the protest. Now government style be that. Now the only way they feel officially tell una not to do protest, because they say intelligence report say they want to do protest, when I know do one. Alright, so I hope so they don't plan and you won't go join the protest, they observe. If you see say argument on the day between police and the people, come out to protest, no come out to protest, stay your house. Stay your house, because this country, every we hear when they talk, some people will do the toll gate own. What do they call that one? Lucky toll gate own. So it's okay. October 20, end SARS protest. Some see dead jail though. Even though police come and say na lie, they know they. We don't see human rights lawyers. We don't talk to some of those guys still there here. You understand? So just be careful before you do follow for Nigeria, because I know say it's good to protest to let government know what they feel, but be smart and the organizers one or two meet police, make sure they do arrangement well. Otherwise they will come tell and say people was scatter. Now the normal way be that. That's now why Tinubu must go the trend. Alright, plan nationwide protests against bad governance for between 1st to 10th of August 2024 for different parts of Nigeria. I guess they will do from Enugu, Port Harcourt, Lagos, Abuja, and different cities. Alright, LGBTQ the trend since the past 2 days now. Why? Because Nigerian government don't sign the Samoa Agreement. The Nigeria don't sign agreement to collect loan of $150 billion. Alright, and then say the Samoa Agreement normally get things inside where does it any country where they come meet them to collect loan. It must promote rights of people like LGBTQ, and for those who don't know what the LGBTQ, lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, queer. So people like confused people, you understand? So if you use Q. Now all those kind of people that they thought them be there for inside, say, what is your name? You go say, no, this is Mr. Godwin. Say, no, your name is not Mr. They don't use Mr. or Mrs. or Miss or Master. If I want to say Godwin, if I want to say Mr. Godwin their studio, so I'll say them their studio. So they're gonna call me them. Them their studio. You know, say they're not really confused. Now European Union and the Samoa now, but I just give some more information. Alright, the thing don't start public debate online because people they thought say we get law against that. For 2014, President Jonathan signed laws. Anybody in cash do gay or lesbian thing, 14 years. You understand? You go chop beans when no done, we get stone inside. For 14 years, except you get better money, now you go feel live well for Nigerian prison. If you be poor man and you go try and say again, won't do, sorry for you. You understand? But two because why Nigerian government go sign if they know saying the thing get provision, say you go help them promote the rights of gay and lesbian and LGBTQ. Some people gonna say they sign and they don't know why they sign am. Different talk here and there, but Nigerian government don't come to say they sign the agreement, say they form, say they review one way before they sign it. They say they do extensive review from the and consultation from interministerial committee, and they say this interministerial committee by the Federal Ministry of Budget and Economic Planning dey there, Federal Ministry of Justice, and Federal Ministry of Foreign Affairs. So that 3 ministries together: Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Ministry of Budget and Planning, Economic Planning, and of course also get Ministry of Justice. All of them, Foreign Affairs, Justice, and Budget. Those 3 ministries say they look everything together. So the first Ministry of Justice, they mean say they don't look all the things, dot all the I's, cross all the things, because it not be like those documents. If you buy phone now, they'll give you pamphlet inside agreement. How many people they read that? If you buy brand new car now, get some kind of document, who they read? So if now one open page, Instagram will tell you say these are the conditions, or Twitter will tell you say these are the. Now go just say I agree. You know they really read. Whether they say by 20 years time we'll come kill your opa, you don't know. So, but I sure say Ministry of Justice dey here. They go don read them because according to the news we can't get now, so the minister, Nigerian minister don't they react. Alright, Nigerian minister don't react to the whole thing. And what's the minister talk? So make I just read what our minister talk right now. Okay, so federal government don't confirm say they signed the Samoa Agreement, but they say the law of the same-sex marriage, which means law where they push all this LGBTQ, you know they the same level with our country law. Say the law where we get for Nigeria here, it is more superior to that law. Alright, so in a statement on Thursday, the Minister of Information, Mohammed Idris, he clarified the issue. The way they pay me pass for this agreement, he said, now on my birthday they sign am, June 28th, Friday. On my birthday, now they sign this kind of agreement we get. But the court say that agreement no follow. Alright, they thought they sign am. Now on June 28th, Nigeria signed the Samoa Agreement for the Organization of African, Caribbean, and Pacific States, OACPTS, Secretariat for Brussels, Belgium. Partnership agreement there between EU, European Union, and the member states with this OACPS people, you understand? So based on that, they thought everything where they don't talk about the whole matter, they say Nigeria check the agreement well, the one way consign us now we sign. So they say all those gay and lesbian, whatever, you understand? They say any provision where they contrary to Nigerian law, it they invalid according to Nigerian government. So in a nutshell, Nigerian government say they know say all these things they inside. But the agreement when they sign and say the part where they say they will push gay and lesbian, we already get law for this country since 2014. We say that is not fair. So Nigerian government say that part not apply to Nigeria because our Nigerian law is superior to any law for outside. Now what did they talk? And they get to sign the document even though that other part they were they say not apply to it because they need the money. And that will not bring us back to bad leadership. You understand? A country will be say continent that's also beggy Africa be. Nigeria, Ghana, everybody go cap in hand, they beg, I beg, give us loan, I beg, give us. When they collect loan, most time they will go buy SUV for politicians, buy aeroplane for presidents, buy. That's why we continue to collect all the wine they collect on in Buhari time. What did they do the loan do? Why would they even go look for loan, sef? For loan where we say one senator and House of member, one senator they collect about 30 million every month. Now they go look for loan. Loan to do what exactly? So they go say that for infrastructural development and all those things. Story. We know how they waste money now. You understand? So government don't talk and say the agreement between the OACPS and European Union Secretariat when they sign for Brussels, Belgium, and everything now to collect loan. But any provision when no dey in line with our law. So make anybody no bother. Gay and lesbian, LGBT, no job for Nigeria. If you try and police catch you, if Nigeria police catch you, say you go, not go try and say Nigeria don't sign one thing for Samoa. Okay, I pity you. All those people they do online. You don't check out most people they do online, they support this thing. They know they Nigeria. They dey US, they dey Canada, they dey UK, they talk nonsense, so they talk. You want to go to do gay, then catch you. They don't finish with that, you understand? So now the two way make Nigeria you try to say that, and then another reason why Muslim on the trend. So people don't say that Jonathan government will be Christian and Muslim. Jonathan and Sambo. Now he signed law against LGBT. Say Muslim ticket now of Tinubu and Shetima. Now he can go they sign to collect loan from people where we say that they push LGBT agenda. Now, if you can't look this LGBTQ matter now, the thing don't dey inside Nigerian media for a long time now because in recently now, you get one guy now, the media guy, we come talk to us say now, say very dark man na gay. Talk he play one audio of one guy where they accuse very dark man, say very dark man collect money for him hand, they want him get pictures and all that. Say very dark man na gay and all those things. Well, very dark man don already tell everybody from the beginning say he no be angel, he no be saint. He not do some things wey he no dey proud of in the past. And remember those days when he dey open him body, dey do some kind video dance and dey make money. He don talk and say himself don mess up once in a while before. You understand? That one no take away from the fact say wetin he dey do now, he dey fight for the right of people wey dey oppress. One person no fit do the whole work. Some people job na to fight government. Some na to fight people wey dey thief, steal other people money. Some na to fight injustice. Anyone wey anybody find to do. I don't know why a lot of people dey try to bring down this guy or try to prove say the guy don tell us he no be perfect person. Alright, so if you want to hear very dark man saying they naked for social media, he dey do am before na him work. Say he don't do gay and lesbian, but he don't talk say he don't do some kind things before in the past. So whether na picture he want bring, whether na video, him by himself don't put all those things online. So won't leave am. You understand? But for wetin me I know from the little research I don't do, very dark man no be gay. He don't do all those kind of things before in terms of even if he didn't do before, he no dey do again. But the guy they fight people, fight for the masses, and the most important thing is that in they overdo sometimes, in they mishear sometimes, but the positives where they come from that guy, man, give that one of the biggest positives. You know, say now a lot of people will get different parody accounts where they don't use very dark man do for TikTok. Now they make money, they get thousands, hundreds of thousands of followers just because they add fake account of very dark man where different people don't open. Those people they use and make different money for TikTok because very dark man by himself no one monetize his page, so in they collect advert. So people when they use fake very dark man account for TikTok and all those things, they even they hammer with the guy name. So the guy, apart from the fact that they fight for some people right, he get people where they use his name, fake one, they even make money now. So if you want open page for instance, say my name na Don Belly Dark Man or very dark Don Belly. Very dark man, Don Belly, something like that. All of a sudden, your page go just go begin to make money, you understand? So that one day, positive is there to what the guy do. You get one or two negatives, but on the general note, more about. But you, if you go do LGBT, say we sign Samoa Agreement, sorry, not be your name. If police catch you, go to Nigerian police and work. All right, more we leave out for there. Rishi Sunak, the British Prime Minister, he don't resign, he don't go tell King, say, you know they do, he don't go tell King Charlie, say, you know they do again. No. In part, he don't lose the election, basically. So, no be saying just resign, he no get choice. In party don't lose the election. So as they don't lose the election like this, now bye to Rishi Sunak. They get new British Prime Minister they go put very soon. May I just tell you who that one be. Okay, so Labour win the general election they say they win by a landslide. That means the gap plenty well. You don't end the Conservative Party 14 years reign in power. Keir Starmer and be the man name will be the new UK Prime Minister and will replace Rishi Sunak. Rishi Sunak don't offer registration to the king, and then but they never swear in the Keir Starmer yet. You understand? Meanwhile, Rishi Sunak comment, they say, I don't give my best to the job, but all of them don't send clear message. I will not own be saying now na judgment na dey more important. Since una say una no want us here, they come out. In Nigeria, they will not go court. Rishi Sunak say una no want me again, we don't go. In Nigeria, na court be the next destination. Alright, many thanks to you for watching. I beg may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.